Meaning of immigration control.
Immigration control.
Immigration control.
Immigration control.
Immigration control. Immigration control refers to the regulations and procedures that a country enforces to manage the entry and stay of foreign nationals within its borders. The aim of immigration control is to ensure that people who are not authorized to enter or remain in a country are prevented from doing so. This includes checking the identity, background, and purpose of travel of individuals at border crossings, issuing visas and permits, conducting screenings for security threats, and taking action against those who violate immigration rules. Effective immigration control can help a country to manage its borders and maintain the security of its citizens.